Welcome to today's Partner Spotlight with Hitachi Consulting. I'm Dale Weidling, Vice President of Partner Management for Oracle North American Alliance and Channels. Joining me today is Victor Sahakian, Vice President, U.S. Oracle Solutions for Hitachi Consulting. Victor, welcome.
Thank you.
Nice to have you here with us today.
Thank you.
So tell us a little bit about Hitachi Consulting and the services they provide.
Great. Hitachi Consulting is a global organization. We have over 7,000 employees spread over almost 50 different countries globally. We speak, I think, about 32 different languages, and we offer a tremendous amount of services around consulting. We have groups that focus on solutions. We provide transformational projects, and we have experience across a variety of different industries.
What differentiates Hitachi from other consulting partners?
Hitachi Consulting has the depth and the width of providing end-to-end consulting and solutions. Hitachi Consulting is a member of Hitachi Limited, which is over $100 billion revenue organization, over 100,000 employees. We manufacture, we build trains, automobiles, medical equipment, and Hitachi Consulting being a member of the family, big family, we have a lot of leverage over a variety of different industries and technologies. With our consulting experience, industry knowledge, we're bringing in end-to-end solutions to our customers.
So what are some of the current IaaS and PaaS projects that Hitachi Consulting is working on?
Oh, great. On IaaS, we're using Bare Metal to help us offload some of our current workloads onto the cloud. Bare Metal in particular has been a very, very effective method for us to easily migrate environments from on-prem to the cloud, and giving us the flexibility and the controls that are typically limited on other cloud providers, and be able to take that workload and really release some of the constraints that we have on our organization, as well as for our customers. So Bare Metal, the framework around Bare Metal, the ability to manage yourself. Within a few hours, I'm able to stand up an environment. I have all the controls. We even have access at the root level, which is not common with other cloud providers. Ability to have containers to be able to separate my workload any way that I like. It's a huge, huge advantage for us to be able to leverage into migrating these Oracle and also non-Oracle workloads to the cloud. On the PaaS side, we've done a couple of things with PaaS. We actually have built a tool called Hitachi Cloud Migration for Oracle. Based on PaaS, we use SOA Cloud Services, Java Cloud Services, Database Cloud Services, three basic components, and build a tool where we actually help evaluate customers' environments and create a roadmap for them to the cloud. We used it for ourselves. We are Oracle customers. Today, we use several Oracle products. We have HCM Cloud, Sales Cloud, and Marketing Cloud, as well as we have Oracle on-prem. So based on our experiences, we built this tool to help our customers migrating to the cloud. Now, we also use PaaS to build a solution for a particular customer that needed to integrate OTM Cloud with their on-prem version of Oracle Release 12. And they had some customization. So we leveraged SOA Cloud Services, and we were able to easily stand up the environment, be able to integrate the OTM Cloud to the on-prem without any code modification. Same code that we were using for on-prem solution, easily migrate to cloud, and we're up and running.
Why did Hitachi Consulting choose to use PaaS versus on-premise SOA?
The ability to deliver solutions at a much, much faster pace than you would normally do on-prem. If you would take a project that we just did, take the OTM solution that I just explained to you, for us to stand up a SOA environment on-prem, to build the hardware, the partitions, install the software, all that, I would need at least, conservative, 3 to 4 weeks. I'm being very conservative. We got the project done in less than a week using SOA Cloud Services. That is huge. Time to market, ability to immediately get a project off the ground, deliver. It's huge value to us and to our customers because we are able to respond to our business needs. We are able to respond to our clients' business needs. I don't have to wait for a whole month to get this thing going. We did it in a very quick, short time. And the other value is that I think it's huge. Single person, single architect developer was able to do all the provisioning, configuration, setup, migration, versus when you do the same work on-prem, you will need a DBA, a network administrator, system administrator to have to set up all these environments. One person able to deliver all these by himself or herself, sorry, and get it done in a far less amount of time than it typically does.
Fantastic. So let's talk a little bit about bare metal.
Sure.
Why bare metal? What are the advantages that you see of bare metal?
Based on my experience, I may be here a little bit subjective because I think bare metal gives us the controls that we lack in other cloud offerings. Because if you are trying to help the customer or for ourselves, for our organization, where we're trying to migrate environments or build new environments, the ability to have the controls is essential. Having the root level access is huge. That tells us that we are in complete control of our own containers, of our own environment. I can do whatever I like. It's up to us, and that's all we can ask for. Because that way, we can dictate what needs to happen next. I don't have to rely on another person, another organization, and that's a tremendous advantage. Being able to create containers where I can compartmentalize within one environment different sections of my business. Finance, payroll, operations. I can create different containers and be able to manage my business without having to go and rely on other different types of solutions for security and other things. These are some of the basic elements that I feel has really helped us, and we're able to convey the same to our customers, how they can leverage bare metal to support their needs. Having the ability also to offload non-Oracle workloads is huge as well. And that's a really big advantage because many customers run Oracle as well as some other non-Oracle. While here you're able to leverage both. You don't have to go to a different provider, same provider. We have everything in one place, easy to control and manage, and that's a huge advantage for us and for our customers.
Tell me more about Hitachi Cloud Migration for Oracle.
We built this tool based on Oracle PaaS products. We use database cloud services, Java cloud services, and SOA cloud services. What we've done with this tool is this cloud-based tool that can connect to our client's environment and go through 3 different phases of analyzing the client's footprint. In particular, we call this assess, align, and adopt. The assess phase is basically the process in which we go capture information around clients' applications, their customizations, their volume of transactions, frequency of transactions, the dependencies that they have built. They see what features of the Oracle modules they're using or not using. We then take that information and we also analyze their infrastructure, because cloud migration is not around just the SaaS part, it's around the infrastructure needs as well as their integration. And this is where the PaaS comes into play, right? We look at all their integrations to see how are they using their current integration methods and learn from their current environment. And then the second phase of the process is the align, where we take this information and we create them a roadmap to the cloud. What is the right way to go to the cloud? Is it to merely just lift and shift? Is it to move to the infrastructure first? Is it to leverage just the PaaS component? And that's what the process is, the alignment phase, where we take the data, collect it, and create this roadmap to the cloud. The last phase of the process is the adopt, which is where the tool comes into play again to actually extract the setup, configuration, and data from their current environment and migrate that data over to the cloud. Reduce the manual effort, eliminate the errors that you typically have during the manual process or conversion. This tool does that and has all the necessary audit and reconciliation processes to ensure data is migrated properly to the cloud environment.
Victor, thank you for spending time with us today. Really appreciate the overview of Hitachi Consulting Services and their Oracle Cloud practice. So what's the best way to get a hold of Hitachi Consulting to engage with you?
The best way is to call us at, visit our website, hitachiconsulting.com. You'll find our contact information on the website, and reach out to us or email us, and we'll be happy to talk to you.
Perfect. Thank you. And thank you for joining today's Partner Spotlight with Hitachi Consulting Services.